Hi friends, this is Jyoti here again in Jyoti's kitchen. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a rich gourd chutney, or as we call in Kannada, hirekai chutney. Basically it has these ingredients. This is the peel of rich gourd, some rich gourd cubes, curry leaves, tamarind, garlic, green chilli, some oil, salt, and sesame seeds, jaggery, groundnut, onion, and some dry coconut. So these, anyway, the ingredients will be listed in my description box. So you can go and visit my description box for detailed ingredients. So let's start. We need to we need to roast these peels, rich gourd peels. So just add little bit of spoon of oil. The pan is heated. Just add these peels. And the rich gourd. Let it cook for some time. It's cooking for now 7 to 8 minutes. Leave it for another 2 minutes. Cook this in a low flame. This is the peel what we are using. You can also make it with regular rich gourd along with the peel. That also tastes very good. I've removed it from the stove. It has reduced in the size also. Now we'll start frying all the other ingredients. Just keep the pan in the low flame. Add some oil, maybe 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil, and we will add garlic, mixed up one more ingredient, cumin seeds. Add some cumin seeds. Add some chillies. roasted. I've been roasting the onions for around 2 minutes. I'm adding some tamarind. We'll roast it for another 1 or 2 minutes. Now my onions have been getting roasted for almost 3 to 4 minutes. I'll add the other ingredients. Add the sesame seeds. This is the groundnut which I have roasted. Now you can add the dried coconut. And the jaggery. Roast for 1 or 2 more minutes. Adding some salt. Add to as per your taste. I'm using rock salt. I'm adding all the roasted peels also now. Now we are almost done. Just mix everything in the pan. Once it is mixed, you can switch off the flame and allow it to cool down. The mixture is now cooled down, so I'll be grinding it together without adding water. This is very important. Don't add water when you are grinding this. This is ready to serve. In today's recipe, I have used 3 rich gourd peas, and you can eat this chutney with your rotis, your chapati, dosa, even with the hot rice and little ghee. You can have this. You can have it with even curds with parathas. It tastes really yummy. My mouth is already watering. Do try this recipe and let me know how you felt about it. And please do subscribe and give a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you for watching.